So hi guys, we're back here in Vikasa and we like to introduce you my one-legged squat on the ball, which will really make your butt work and burn, and you'll feel it tomorrow and see it tomorrow. So
Tighten the
ready?
booty, yes.
Yes. Nails, just the nails on, and you can hold my hand in the beginning because there's a lot of balance happening. Yes, and keep your upper body straight and move the ball backwards and not your knee forward. Yes, okay. So, stretching the hip flexors and working the boot of the squatting leg. You should go down more if you want, if you can. Yes. And then stay there, stay. Do small ups and downs, small ones, slow ones. Yeah, and small back and forths with the accent on backwards.